Hey everyone, hey market traders and hey market partners, welcome back to YouTube channel. In today's video, we will look at the latest financial development that drives the global financial market. We are directly starting with the technical analysis part. As we have discussed in our previous session, that we can expect 98.800 to 98.500 in upcoming session. So we already rested 98.800 level. Now we can expect further continuation up to 98.500, which is this fractal. But in case of prices breaking down below this level, we can expect further downward continuation up to 97.800 to 97.500 level. Now, if you are a directional continuation player, directional seller, definitely you should look for a sell on rise opportunity as and when prices retracing nearby 99 to 99.200 level. Let me plot a Fibonacci from this high to this low. So in case if price is retracing back to 38.2 to 50 Fibonacci level, which is 99.200 to 500 level, definitely one can consider this as a low risk high reward selling opportunity, right? Now, if you look at the daily RSI, it's trading below 30 line. Right now, it's trading at an oversold point, but still we can expect downward continuation up to at least 98.500 to 400 level. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, price already retested 55 period moving average and it's trading below important upward trend line. In case if price is breaking down below 55 period moving average, then the next immediate support is nearby 97.500 to 400 level, which is this weekly fractal, right? Now, if you look at the H4 time frame, there is a clear formation of lower highs and lower lows is going on. We already updated that, yes, in terms of Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is done. Now we can expect further impulse wave. So if you look at the structure, 1, 2, currently 3 of 3 is going on, then we can expect 4, then 5. So we can expect the extension of this at least towards 98 level in upcoming session. So at this point of time, short term, medium term, both the trend is indicating downward trend to continue, while long term trend is still sideways to bearish. If we look at the structure in terms of chart pattern formation, there is a clear formation of double top pattern and there is a clear breakdown of this neckline. So we almost achieve the target of the size of the double top pattern, but still we can expect further downward continuation up to 98.500 to 98 level in upcoming session, right? Now, if you look at the Euro USD chart, as we have discussed in our previous session, that we can expect a strong bullish momentum in case if price is sustaining above this level. So now price retested this weekly important 55 period moving average. Now looking at the structure, it seems like we can expect test of 1800, which is this fractal in upcoming session. So if you are a directional continuation buyer, definitely you should wait, you should look this as a buy on dips opportunity. In case if price is retracing nearby 1600 to 1580 level, definitely one can consider this as a low risk high reward buying opportunity. So at this point, short to medium term trend is definitely indicating buying trend to continue. Even if you look at the daily RSI, it's trading about 870 line, it's trading at an overbought point, but still we can expect further continuation up to these mentioned levels. Now, if you look at the structure in terms of Elliott wave, we clearly updated that there is a formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC is done. Now we can expect further impulse wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 3 of 3 is going on. So now we can expect extension of this wave at least up to 1780 to 1800 level in upcoming session. Even if you look at the weekly time frame, it's trading above important downward trend line. It's trading above 55 period moving average. Also, weekly RSI is trading above 50 line. All the time frames indicating that momentum is clearly supporting this upward trend. So, in case if price is breaking above 1800 level, definitely this would be the trend change point, and all the even long term trend will change to upward direction if price is breaking and sustaining above 1800 level. So at this point of time, short term medium term trend is definitely indicating upward trend to continue, while long term trend is still sideways to bearish. Now if you look at the WTI pair, as we have discussed in our previous session, that it's trading at a very important fractal 86 to 87 level. In case if price is sustaining above this level, definitely we can expect further upward continuation up to 89, 91, and above 91 we can expect test of 93 level. But if you look at the structure at this point, in terms of candlestick pattern, there is a formation of a doji pattern, multiple doji pattern formation is there. So in case of price is reverting from this level, rejecting from this level and breaking down below this fractal, which is 85 level, definitely we can expect a retracement at least up to 83.5. Below 83.5 we can expect 81.5, and in case the price breaking down below 81.5 fractal, definitely we can expect a test of 78, and below that we can expect a strong downward continuation. Now, if you look at the structure in terms of Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, and almost 5 wave is also done, 5th wave is also done. So, if we track this for the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and while having an exhaustion of fifth, there is a clear formation of classic bearish divergence. So, in case if price is breaking down below 85 level, definitely we can expect a downward continuation up to 83.5, 81.5, and below that we can expect test of 78 level. So, at this point, short term, medium term, and long term, all three trends indicating a downward trend to continue. But in case if price is breaking down below breaking above 88 level, then we can expect upward continuation at least up to 91, 93 in upcoming session. Right now, if you look at the gold, as we have discussed in our previous session, that we can expect upward continuation for the up to 4500, 40 above 4600, and in case if price is sustaining above 4600, then we can expect 4700 to 750 level in upcoming session. So we already tested 4530, so definitely we can expect further upward continuation up to 4600, which is extension of this 161.8 level. And in case if price is sustaining above this fractal also, definitely we can expect test of 4750. Now if you look at the structure in terms of Elliott wave, so this is a clear formation of first, second, there's a 1, 2, 3, and it seems like 3 of 3 is done. Now we can expect some sort of retracement, and then we can expect continuation up to 4600 to 4700 level in upcoming session. Now if you look at the H4 time frame, if you look at the H4 time frame, clearly it's indicating that yes, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost it's done, but still we can expect the extension up to 4600, and in case the price is breaking above this fractal, which is 4530, and sustaining above the same, we can expect directly 4600, and above the same we can expect 4700 level. At this point, daily, H4, weekly, all the time frames and clearly indicate. If you look at the weekly time frame, right now prices sustaining above very important 55 and break-even period average. It's indicating that now we can expect, if we plot the trend line from this points, if we connect this points, right now it's trading about downward trend line, which is a falling trend line, or it's a weekly falling trend line. And if we consider the period of this trend line, so it's January to almost it's 8-month trend line, and it's trading about this trend line. It's indicating that in case the price is sustaining about this level, which is 4600 to 4700 level, definitely we can expect a trend change in a terms of our long-term behavior, right? So in case the price is breaking above 4700, definitely one can consider an all-time high in upcoming session, right? And if you look at the daily, weekly, monthly, all the time frames indicating that momentum is clearly supporting this upward trend. At this point, short-term, medium-term trend is definitely upward trend to continue, while long-term trend is still sideways to bearish at this point of time. Now if you look at the Bitcoin pair, we clearly updated. I hope you have grab this opportunity. If you are watching our video, definitely you must be having this opportunity, right? We clearly updated that in case the price is breaking above 65,500 level, we can expect a strong continuation up to 68,000, and above the same we can expect test of 70,000 level. So right now price almost tested all the targets. Now important is in case if price is sustaining above 70,000 level, which is also a 61.8 Fibonacci level, then we can expect a test of 78.6, which is this fractal 74,000, and in case if price is sustaining above this level also, we can expect test of 100 Fibonacci, which is 77,500 to 78,000 level. Now if you look at the structure on a minute basis, so definitely we can expect further upward continuation. Why I'm saying this is a clear 1, 2, this is the third wave going on, probably 3 of 3 is going on, then 4 and 5, then again 4th wave, and then major 5th is possible. So definitely we can expect at least 73 to 74,000 level in upcoming session, right? So if you are a buyer, definitely you should look for a buy on dips opportunity. Now let me share you the precise level where you can look for a buy on dip opportunity. In case the price is retracing, as this is a parabolic move, definitely we can consider 68,500 to max 67,800. In case if price is retracing to this level, definitely one can consider this as a strong low risk high reward buying opportunity, right? And if you are a directional buyer, definitely you should look for a buy above 70,200 for the target of 72,000, 73,000, 74,000 level. So at this point of time, short to medium term trend is definitely indicating buying trend to continue, while long term trend is still sideways to bearish. I hope you enjoyed this video. For this kind of video, stay updated with AMarket. Thank you. Bye bye.